You know, the Lady and Sons, yeah. But you know what it should be, guys? It should be the Lady and Sons +1.
Well, today it is.
Yes, it is.
And look at this big boy.
So you're doing some of the dishes that we have on special at the Lady and Sons, and they better be good.
They're delicious.
I know they are. Delicious. I know they are. So you've been up here silking and husking corn.
Well, Paula, Deen, this is a new item we put on the menu that I make at my home very often. It's a corn asparagus salad.
Sounds yummy.
We're going to use 6 ears of fresh yellow corn.
Sounds delicious.
We're going to clean those real good and boil them for about 2 or 3 minutes. And then give them an ice bath.
I'm gonna chop this onion up really finely for you. I'm gonna do 1 small purple onion.
Awesome.
Let me tell y'all how he started.
Oh, no.
On our team.
Well, he was working right next door to us at this other restaurant. Your reputation in Savannah was one of the top servers.
Right.
We saw his work ethic. You know, we saw a lot about what kind of guy he was.
Dustin is now the GM. You know, I'm so proud of you, son. You're just like one of my children.
Well, I feel like family.
When you come to the Lady and Sons, you might not see Jamie and Bobby, and you might not see me, but there's a very good chance you'll see this tall,
every day,
handsome young man. I'm so proud of the man that he grew into. So proud of you.
A lot to do with y'all and y'all's hard work. I learned a lot from y'all.
Well, we've
You're
had
just
fun.
like another taller brother. This is a big man, y'all. I'm 6'4", so.
Exactly.
So that tells you everything you need to know about Dustin.
Oh my goodness. So you've got 8 to 12 ears of corn boiling for how long?
About 2 minutes. Then we're gonna give that an ice bath.
Okay.
Then we're gonna throw in 2 bundles of asparagus.
All right, so we got this show going on. Bobby, why don't you move down here, son? Because Dustin's gonna need elbow room.
Well, then I may need to leave the house.
He's gonna be cutting the corn off and finishing the asparagus.
All right.
That's right.
Why don't you make the salad dressing?
Got it.
For the corn and asparagus salad. So you guys continue on, and I'm gonna be mixing that up down here.
All right.
Got it. All right, this is really, really simple. Like so much that we do. Just gonna start with a ½ cup of sugar, 1 cup of seasoned red wine vinegar, and then I'm gonna just season it with a little salt and pepper to taste.
Now we're gonna take the corn off the cob. Just cut it straight down. And after we do that, we'll mix it together in the bowl. It'll break up nice.
I think I hit the salt and pepper right on too.
Yeah.
And it turned out to be a little less probably than a teaspoon of each.
So we've got a couple of different things going on here in the kitchen, y'all. So Dustin, how about your asparagus? Is that
I think we're done. I'm gonna pull that out right now and put it in an ice bath as well.
okie doke?
So we'll stop cooking and give it a few minutes to cool down, and then we'll cut that up.
It's just blanched.
It's just blanched, yeah. It's gonna be nice and crisp. So I'm gonna slice that into about 1-inch pieces. I'm gonna add that to the corn.
All right. Okay, I've done just about all I can do to that simple sauce.
I think we're ready to put this salad together.
Just put the chopped onions and asparagus in with the corn, then top it off with 1/4 cup of fresh chopped basil.
I'm gonna put this very simple little sauce on top, and we're just gonna fold this so I don't tear everything
It
up.
looks delicious, Dustin. Now, y'all don't be mad with us, so if you come to the Lady and Sons and you say, I'd like some of that corn and asparagus salad, we don't have it. Because this is a special, right?
Actually, we're adding this to the menu. You'll be able to get it now.
Good.
Every night.
So that
See what you think.
It's good. You know.
I love it. I love it. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.